See it there?
Alright.
Real Jamaican fire. One and go. Evening everybody. What's up, fam? Real Jamaican life here. Today we are outside. Again, we are outside. We are going to be cooking some stew chicken and ackee. Alright, so wanting you to watch the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
And today we're going to switch up things a bit. We're going to allow Real Jamaican life to light the fire. Yeah, I'm going to make up a fire and light it today. Yes. Yes. Let me test your skills.
You see what she try to? You see a scam she try to scam me? A scam she try to scam me? She know me can't light the fire now, but
no, you're there on me for a long while now. You see me light it over and over. You must can do it by yourself.
You can't light the fire.
Alright, we shall see today. Alright?
Alright, stick where I come. Soon show. So we have the ackee right here. We have our seasoning. Not much. We have our seasoning.
Yeah, we have a scallion, little pepper, and little garlic.
Maggi
and
all real
purpose.
Jamaican seasoning, you know?
Yeah, and we have a chicken already clean up.
Right.
Yeah, ready to season. So, Malachi asked me if we make him season it up, so I go wait for him to come season it up, you know?
So we get a little chef. We get a little chef, Malachi.
Him say want to season up the meat. So yeah.
I will give him a chance to do that. Come.
Yeah, so see the season them here. Hold it on. Yeah, so you must scrape out the natural season. See your all-purpose here. No.
Don't want to stop.
Go on.
Stop.
Alright, you can stop now. Hold on. Your salt.
This.
Alright, so he's here seasoning up.
Alright, so me I go put the salt because I don't really want to salt it, you know. Sorry. Me I season all your hand. Alright, yeah. He's massaging the seasoning into it.
Rub it up, my youth. Rub up the seasoning. Rub up the chicken together in a seasoning. Just rub up everything together.
Rub up everything, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna leave that a little bit, make it go on. If you go wash your hand, because your hand might touch it even the pepper. Either way, you have to wash your hand.
So, see chicken season up.
Yeah, so we're gonna leave it aside for a while and pick out the ackees. Yeah, him say want do that also. Yeah, so hold on, me soon make you wash your hand. One. Stay there a little bit. Let me see how much my son can do. Yeah. So tell me, explain how you pick out your ackee now.
First you cut the seed.
Talk out loud.
First you cut out the seed.
You cut out the seed. And then what?
You take out inside.
Turn it the other way.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try to do a little thing, you know.
Careful with the knife, careful with the knife. So let me see the one where you pick out so far. Yeah, so see it there? Yeah, inside I clean out properly.
Start off with a few little pieces of stick. Let's see if we can get some bramble.
Let me see what's going on. As the maca them turn up in the stick them. This is our way of taking revenge on the macas, you know, when they ready then juke we up. Yeah.
So as me say, it no must be a one and go, but it's a try, you know. Just a try a little thing to see if it ever work out like how me plan it, you know.
Cool.
Normally me just throw a little gas on it and blaze it up, you know. Gas them and light them, you know. But country girl I say me have to go and learn for.
Alright, that's enough.
When me there bush.
No man, I'm most breadfruit are here, me a roast.
You're not going to flap my show today. You're not going to flap my show today.
See one bag there so you can use. The salt bag. No, paper not do it, man. Papers that burn out, so that is it.
Go.
And which one and go that? With paper. Ah!
Try. See if we can get the one and go with the paper.
The bag. Plastic bag is the way to go. Please to ensure that you don't choke the fire. You have to leave some space in the middle for the fire breathe. Yeah.
Alright. Go. Go, my little fire, go. Go, my little fire, go. Right, sit there. One and go. They can't catch you down the floor long again, you know. Sit there. Blazing fire, blazing fire, blazing fire. They can't catch you again. Sit there.
Alright.
Real Jamaican fire. One and go.
Look pa who saying can't catch fire to know. You see it? Nothing beats a trial but a failure. When you fail to try, you don't fail already.
So we are cooking, people. We are cooking. We are cooking. One and go is blazing. Hey, country girl, can't catch me back, you know. Can't catch me back. See it there? Ackee, I go up on stove. One and go down the floor long. Right there. Country girl I go like my fire not official, you know. I don't know what she go on with like say she don't know so my fire official, you know.
Let me just add the salt.
You want a
Not
piece
a lot.
first?
Fire go on good, but
You know rate my fire, you know rate my fire.
you cannot pack up too much.
You know rate my fire. I straight down the floor along the fire there, you know. See the girl you up again, you know. Yeah. So we have a Ackee pan stove I go and bubble. Country girl a fight against me one and go fire, you know. She a fight against it, you know.
I'm not fight against you, but I'm
It's
proud of you.
alright.
Yeah, we learn to cook ackee when the water boil. We put in the ackee, but today I don't have the patience for that. I not lie.
So see the people put the pan fire. Down the floor long it ago. Fire blazing. See there? Red hot. No country girl like that one here, you know. No country girl like that one here. See there?
See the boil already.
Bebble. Water bebble.
You don't know time them to cook.
So we are checking.
No man, too much man. Better.
One and go blazing, people.
Ooh.
Ackee steaming, people. So country girl, them Ackee you know. Tell me where you get them Ackee you know.
You know, see, alright, grass there, so I'm go get them.
Okay.
Yeah.
The country girl I go taste the ackee.
Look, Ackee a bush.
Change the foolish words. What Chris put that on the TV?
So how your ackee are going?
It's some cook, you want cook some more.
Alright, which is right. So ackee blazing, fire blazing. One and go by Real Jamaican Life, not country girl, Real Jamaican Life. Right, see it there?
Alright,
Down the furlong,
Ackee now.
which is right. See the ackee there, ready blazing. Fire people, Real Jamaican fire. Made in Jamaica, by Jamaicans, for Jamaicans, you know?
Okay. I'm going to use that same little pot, yeah?
Right.
Yeah, I love that little Dutch pot here. And it's strong for the wood fire. Yeah. So this is our ackee. Just strain off the water for it.
So,
Alright.
country girl strain off the ackee.
That's
Ackee
our
is right here. Yeah.
Alright, so done with the ackee. Insert the podcast, and that's the same one that I'm going to use, you know. I just feel like more my Dutch pot for use. Yeah. My son over there a quarrel. I don't know him a quarrel, so you know. Alright, I'll throw in the oil now. I'm going to do a more of a home style chicken. Yeah, home style chicken. Go fry up the chicken and then, yeah, that's what we call home style. You know it. Just watch we and see what we are doing. Fire blazing, blazing, blazing. One potato, two potato, three potato, four.
Hey, that big piece on it there, my one.
Which is right.
The real Jamaican fire the people. The real Jamaican fire the people. See it there?
The one I'm not making a lab.
The one you're not making a lab, no chemical added, no preservative, just constant blazing, 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 you know?
Alright, we're ready for check with chicken now.
With the blazing
Yeah,
fire,
this is what I'm looking for.
Fire just a blaze.
Brown on one side.
Under the dirty.
Turn them.
The fire just a blaze.
Then brown on the other side.
Under the dirty. The fire ablaze under the dirty. I just blazing fire, yeah.
Yeah, we are going to get the chicken brown from the two sides. And in the meantime, I want to big up to all our subscribers. All of those who subscribe to Real Jamaican Life, big up on yourself. And thanks for the support, for all the comments, for all those who like. People want to know if you like up the videos and I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I want to hit 1,000 likes. So help me like up the videos then. Real Jamaican Life.
We are trying to, you know, good quality video. Be consistent with some good quality video, but just want to see it because we are going through some little thing right now, and things kind of rough with me, you know. Not like before, things rougher. Worse, especially since we got to the hospital, things kind of get harder and harder, you know. So, but I want to just send out a prayer for you and just keep on watching the video and like and subscribe to the channel, you know, because we want to reach somewhere with YouTube, you know. We love doing this, we love the cooking, we love sharing the video, we love interacting with the people them, and love talking to the people them, you know. But sometimes if we do a video, it take a lot out of it, and especially sometimes the children them just be nice, you know, and sometimes them not behave themselves. But you know, we give thanks to what we can do, and we can do it. We are trying to do better, as in sending out more videos, be more consistent with the video them, you know. But just keep on the prayers. And people, fire blazing in the evening under the Jamaican sky, you know.
Yes, so we're going to throw in the seasoning, you know.
Simmer down.
Season.
Pata cook and fire, baby. Simmer down.
All of that flavor come out in the chicken.
Yeah, smell nice, people. Pata cook and fire, baby. Now simmer down. Chicken smelling nice and looking brown. Simmer down. Which is right, the fire light, and now simmer down. See the people, Real Jamaican Life. Please remember to like, share, subscribe.
This one simmer down.
And we have run it. No.
Yes.
So people see the ackee there.
Yeah, the ackee. After the
See the
meat
chicken
done
there.
simmer down, perfect.
Right.
Just dash in with ackee.
Which is right.
Look at that beauty.
Yellow bits.
This basically ready
Cook
now. You
fire,
know.
people. See fire there, people. Real Jamaican fire.
Take it off before it.
Ready and a bebble.
Before
Down
the
the
fire.
floor long it a go. Right.
I go take it off
So
before
people,
it burn up.
this is Real Jamaican Fire and Real Jamaican Life, you know. Bless upon yourself. Thank you all for watching my video, liking and sharing and subscribing. So this is it, chicken and ackee. I'm going to taste it and see. So we are here tasting this
and said, "Madam, have mercy
ackee
on me.
and
Give
chicken.
me a drink for my baby and me." Filled with anger, the
Very
owner of the house
nice.
began
Tastes
to
very
threaten this
delicious.
beggar who was suffering from hunger with her new nose. Despite everything, the beggar kept asking her for
Wow,
pardon.
well done.
But this hard-hearted woman would understand nothing